guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim today 5 million daily combo on Hamster Combat for today 27 June 2024. So just click on fine, and so our first card today is under legal category. So click on legal and then scroll down. So guys, this is our first card today. License Philippines is our first card today. So just click on it and then click on go ahead. So that's our first card, guys. So the second card is under specials category. So click on specials and then scroll down. Okay, this is our second card, guys. Short quiz is our second card for today. So just click on short quiz and then click on go ahead. So guys, for the
last card today. Long squeeze is our last card today. But as you can see, they said I need to invite 9 more friends before I can be able to unlock this card. So if your own is also showing like this, just copy your referral link and share it to your friends. And once you have up to 9 referrals, you can come back here and claim the remaining card for today. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time we upload new video on this channel.